Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Lincoln Navigator. Stock number is A6862. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. This gold paint is certainly unique, definitely going to make you stand out. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains, burn marks, anything like that on any of these seats. They're all in great shape. You do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats as demonstrated here. You can see that you can fold one or both seats down to give you plenty of additional storage room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Navigator on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.